Hey, what's going on, guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym here today to talk to you about a pull-up regression that we oftentimes perform for our novice level clients on our total body strength days and occasionally on our upper body strength days. This is called a scap pull. Now with the scap pull, this can be done using either a pull-up bar or a pair of TRX handles. I'm going to demonstrate for you using the TRX for today, okay? Now with the scap pull, the focus of this exercise is going to be engagements of the lats, okay? So the scapula are going to start up top and we're going to pull those shoulders down almost like we're doing an anti or a reverse shrug. That's the idea, okay? So I'm going to start with my TRX handles in both hands, and my feet I'm going to start by lifting off the ground. From that hanging position, I'm going to keep my arms straight the entire time. Second coaching cue for you is make sure that those elbows stay just about at full extension the entire time. We don't want them bending or unbending at the elbows in order to perform this exercise. So from here, I elevate with my feet, pull my shoulders up and back. As you notice, my body comes up and then come back down, getting a good stretch in my lats at the bottom, okay? If you have somebody that's really struggling with this exercise and the coaching, one easy regression that I can use if I'm using TRX handles that extend low enough so I can keep my feet on the ground is just have them bend at the knees. Now from here, I can still let my legs support myself just as much as I need in order to perform that exercise properly while still feeling engagement in my lats, okay? This is a great introductory exercise to getting to a point where your clients can perform bodyweight pull-ups, because it's going to teach them the first step in a pull-up, which is to engage their lats, pull their shoulder blades down, okay? Give those coaching cues a try the next time we do scap pulls in one of our workouts.